right, so this is the lesson for October 15th in WeVideo for our movie Mashup. So yesterday, gentlemen, instruction is up here, please. Thank you. Yesterday, we did our voice recordings, and we took the Pursuit of Happiness and Inception, and we trimmed those to length. So today, we are going to work on putting in our instrumental audio that's going to be continued throughout. We're going to put in our audio and just kind of clean some pieces up, and then hopefully we will have time to put the text in as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do, just because WeVideo is a little hard with its layout, some video editing programs you can grab right here and stretch this up so I can see all this, like see everything, and that's not as easy in this program. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take, and so you have your intro screens right here. You're going to leave your intro where they are, but you're going to drag other clips up or down, whatever you need to do, but you do want a blank video clip here because this is where we're going to put our instrumental audio. So I am dragging all of these together just so I can see things a little better. And this is my instrumental clip that I'm going to be using. So we're going to start by putting that in. And that's going to go right in here. Now this particular clip we do have to cut some off of. So I'm going to go ahead and trim it down. In the beginning there are words, even though it's supposed to be the instrumental version. In the beginning there are spoken or sung words. So somewhere about in here, I'm going to delete that piece. And we want this instrumental audio to start where our video starts. So after our intro, now, and I know that I don't have mine probably turned up the whole way, and you'll notice it on yours. Right now, we have those audio lines are both at 100%. We want to take the instrumental line, and we only want it to be about 20%. We don't want it to be overbearing. We want to really hear the spoken words. So to do that, I'm going to click on the speaker, and I'm going to drag this down 22%. So let's see what that sounds like. Now, I start to hear my audio clip, and that's not where I wanted to start. I'm just going to drag it out for a while so I don't have to worry about it. Is that really at 20%? Did I save it? It's really at 20%. I'm going to drop it even more. You want to hear more of the people. I'm going to make sure that my people are at 100%. I can even increase my people a bit. I will also say in this audio clip, I might want to clip a little more out. The beginning has a different beat than the middle. I'm going to take that and go to here, see where we're at. Oh, now I'm going to have to turn it back up. So I like what I have, except I would like it to fade in because it comes in kind of abrupt. I'm going to do a fade there. I can deal with it. I think I could make the beginning still sound better. I think it's where I cut the audio clip the second time that maybe I shouldn't have cut it. And again, not everybody's is going to sound exactly the same, but what I want you to make sure you're learning is that you can balance your audio. Okay? All right, so we have this audio piece. Now, when we get here, we want to turn all the audio for these two pieces off. So to do that, you're going to go to the speaker and turn this the whole way down. So your audio, there's no audio on Bruce Almighty and Inception. There's no audio there. We're going to turn that audio completely off. And when we get to the pursuit of happiness, oh, there's my crazy audio clip again. Now I'll drag it backwards. Okay, so as soon as he says, all right, we still want this video. So we still want this visual, but as soon as he says, all right, we're going to cut the clip because we want to then fade that audio out because that clip has music in it that we don't want to be so loud. So right there, select it, cut it. This piece of audio, I am going to fade out. Maybe something like that. I would really like to drop it the whole way, but I don't want it to sound awkward. Yeah, see, that's going to sound awkward. I don't know if it's in this clip or up here. There's something that I have that still sounds very awkward, okay? But that's part of what we are learning, okay? And again, you're not going to cut this clip exactly where I'm cutting it because I'm not giving you a point to cut it at. So work through it, okay? Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about your voiceover. Yes, Grace? Yeah, after the little boy says, all right. Yes. All right, so then when it comes to our voiceover, you're going to want to go back to the original clip that I made to listen to where you need to put your voiceovers in. Now, yours is not going to be on this background, okay? So let's talk through this. So what we're going to have to do is our word attitude is just going to be a little longer because you don't have that one video clip. Does that make sense? So this video clip you don't have. I want you to start your spoken words after The Secret, which is after Einstein. Whoa, I just moved the wrong thing. Control Z is your undo. Oh, another thing that you can do that I wanted to show you guys, you can change the track height so I can condense these so I can see easier what is going on. So now I can see a little bit more of where I'm working with. All right, so my voiceover is going to start right about here, but I think I have some editing that I need to do on my voiceover. Okay, so I know I want to cut right about here, get rid of this. Oh. That's where I want to cut that clip and get rid of it. Now this audio is going to start. I'll play it and let you watch. So you can see we have about 3 seconds that we still need visual for. 2 ways that we're going to do that. We are going to make up between the Einstein and Bruce Almighty. The word success is going to go in there, the title, success. And then between here and here, the word attitude is going to go in there. Okay? So to put those words in, we're going to come to our text. I'm just going to stick this one in for now. I'm going to stick it above. I'm not even worried about my words right now. I'm just worried about a placeholder so I can get everything right timing-wise. I'm going to scoot this down. I'm going to bring another one in. Because I know, why can I not move that out? Oh, because there's another piece down there. This little piece. So I can see where this needs to line up. So I can make, well, I would like to make this shorter. Oh, because it's that pretext, I can't. I need one that's even shorter. This sounds silly. I just want a static. Yes, I just want a static piece of text. There we go. So I should be able to make that text whatever length I want it to be. Did you guys see how I got to that static text over here? Are you guys seeing how? I'm sorry, sometimes I forget to like speak words because I'm not sure how to necessarily explain what I'm doing, but do you see how I'm making the gap there to put my text in? Is that visual good? And then I obviously would double click to edit my words here. So this is where the word success is going to go. And then I will show you, we don't want obviously to see this video underneath of here. Okay. So right here, I am going to, I got to think of this. Yes. For this whole line, we can actually open up the fade properties. I should be able, I can fade this clip completely out because we don't need to see anything there. I should be able to fade the entire clip out. Can I not do, yeah. Now I can, yeah, because I initiated it and told it to fade. Once I clicked fade, I can tell it to fade for the whole video. So let me review how I did that. I went to here, I clicked fade, so it initiated this line. So now I have edit points that I can completely fade. So I don't have, it's just black underneath the video. Does that make sense? And then this would be attitude. And I don't care, you guys can put transitions on those words. But I had to use the sample text because the transition ones were too long. Again, the example that you saw was made in a different program. Any questions? All right, go ahead and get busy. Those of you that might be watching this remote, if you have questions, please reach out via email to ask. Thanks and have a good day.